What's up everyone? Today we're gonna learn, and I promised on yesterday, this moves like this. It's called the helix. Oops, sorry. Okay, we start from yesterday. Put this. If you want to learn, you can check my description. Okay, move like this. Okay, like this, from this to this. That's very simple. Okay, first move is you balisong knife, turn around your thumb like this. Okay, you can see. Just turn around on your thumb, not full, but just half. Like this, and then you catch like this. But actually, you can catch like that. You catch like this. This one, but for the line, you're very slow to the line. Okay, from this to this. Okay, the tutorial is maybe it's right now. I don't want it to be a part of video. So the tutorial is like this. You swing, turn on your thumb. The position is like this. Okay, your thumb in here, then your index in here, and then your finger another. You can tell now. It's like this. Okay. Then, okay, swing like this. Maybe you can practice like this. Very slow. It's okay. Then you can open your hand, open your catch like this. Okay. Just swing. It's okay. If this too difficult to you, it's okay. They have they will practice for make perfect and like this. Okay. 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 It's like this. Okay. So okay. And then the next step is like this. If you have to do like that, you can do this. Okay, you catch with your index finger and connect with your middle finger. Okay, done. Okay, maybe you can look. This very simple sketch like this, but not with your 3 fingers in here, just with your index. Then the next step is you can turn with your index. So that's the thumb, and then this the index. Okay, you can like this and this. So they're very simple. It's like this. Okay, if you not do the turn on your index, it's okay. Just simply swing like this, and then you catch and you close. Okay. Maybe the move is like this. So sorry. It's like this. Oops. It's like very simple move. So this move is from Team Fortress. If you play a Team Fortress, it's a game from PC. It's a very good game. They have only one character. His name is Spy. They have a balisong, and then they have like this move, a helix. It's very good. Very simple. Okay, thank you very much.